Alrighty, so something that many students forget to do when creating Venn diagrams is make sure that the categories are set up so that you have similar categories when looking at how they differ. So if I were to compare Pepper's Pizza, if I wanted to compare these two different pizza places, I have Pepper's Pizza here, and then I have Hungry Howie's over here. Okay, so obviously, as we know, the similarities go in the middle and the differences go in the outer circles. So I have to think of categories. So first I might think about location. So my first topic, I'm going to say relative to where I am, Pepper's Pizza, that's downtown Evanston. Okay, so that's a difference compared to Hungry Howie's. I would add that item, would say that's downtown Skokie. Okay, so those are two differences, and I should have put a 1 there so that it's clear that those are both comparing the same thing. Okay, so a non-example of this would be if for number 1, I talked about the location, and then I compared that to the size of the shop. So I would say small restaurant. Okay. This is a non-example because I'm comparing the location to the size, and those you can't really compare. Okay, so I'm going to change this back to downtown Skokie. Okay, so let's come up with another. So I could think of what are ways I compare location. I can think of delivery, if they'll deliver. So for 2, I find out that Pepper's Pizza does not deliver. No delivery. So when I'm comparing Hungry Howie's, what do I have to add? Something about, you've got it, delivery. So Hungry Howie's will deliver. So I add that. Okay, think of a non-example, right? If I were to compare delivery to cost, right? You can't compare the two. Those are two different topics, two different subjects. And then when you're coming up with similarities, and this one typically isn't as difficult. Obviously, you want to find something that applies to both. So what would a similarity of these two places be? Probably the obvious one is that they both serve pizza, right? So we can do that. Maybe another similarity would be that they have unique ingredients. Maybe both of them have unique concoctions that they make. If they didn't, let's say Pepper's Pizza had unique concoctions and Hungry Howie's only had basics, that could be a number 3, right? So you could put a 3 here, unique ingredients, 3 over here, standard ingredients. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Again, the main message you want to take away from this is that when you're making a Venn diagram, the topics and the differences, they still have to relate to the same larger category. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.